Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and I love to do unboxing videos, and today we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12 that came out today. So this is actually not mine. This is my dad's iPhone 12. I am still waiting on the pre-orders for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but until then we are going to be checking out these iPhone 12, and my dad let me unbox it for him. So my dad needed an upgrade because he has the iPhone 8 and it's like 3 years old now. It still works perfectly fine, but he does want to upgrade, so it was a perfect time to upgrade since the iPhone came out. So we are going to be unboxing it right now. So this time he did get 128 gigabytes, and it's actually a nice birthday present from my mom for him, so yay. So I'm excited about the new iPhone, specifically for the 12 Pro, because I like the Pacific blue color, so I can't wait to unbox that. So if you guys don't know, the iPhone 12 is pretty much like the iPhone 11, same size, 6.1 inches screen size. It also has 2 cameras, but one of the differences is that it finally has OLED display. Here it is. One of the other differences is that this year Apple decided to reduce the box sizes, also reduce all the stuff that's inside the boxes. So you'll see that in a second. My dad did get the color blue this time. So yeah. Ooh. So pretty similar to the iPhone 11, glass back and aluminum on the side, but wow guys, I love that square iPhone 5 4S. It feels so much, oh my god, it feels so much nicer to hold. So right here I have my iPhone 11, and as you can see, it's like so different. Oh my god. But yeah, so before I unbox that, let's see what's inside the box. So what we have here is a USB-C to Lightning cable. So that's the only thing they included. They didn't include the brick, and they didn't include AirPods anymore. So we got this small tiny information box thing, manual stuff, that paperwork stuff that Apple usually gives. We got the SIM ejector. We got the smallest paperwork that Apple has ever done, and we got a single sticker sheet. So that's that. So this year is a bit different. It's usually plastic, but this is like kind of paper plastic. I don't know, but so nice. So let's just turn it on. But yeah, so this is how the sides look like. I believe this is the 5G band, antenna band. But guys, this is so pretty. I can't wait for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I really love the Pacific blue color, and usually I'm like a gold or white, like silver kind of girl, but it's very blue. I think the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Pacific blue is a bit more muted than this. Oh, and also another downside is that you could see my fingerprints on the glass unless you have a phone case. But yeah, so we'll set that up in a bit. So I did also purchase the MagSafe charger. So this is for when I get my iPhone 12 Pro, but I decided to buy it now. I know you could use it for your iPhone 11 and all the iPhones technically with wireless charging, but I was told that it only charged to 7.5 watts, so it's not as fast charging. It's only on the newer models, which is kind of surprising for me, but it still works. So also another thing about this, that I was told that it is also a USB-C cord, so you do need the USB-C brick that Apple well, they provided for the iPhone 11 Pro, but if you don't, you have to buy it in the Apple store. So this is actually a lot of paperwork. Yeah, so that's kind of funny that has a lot of paperwork. But here we have the MagSafe charger. How do I remove this? I like don't want to move it around so it rips. I think you just slide it out. Okay, cool. So it looks like a huge like Apple Watch charger, and I believe that the Apple Watch actually can't charge on this because it's like a specific MagSafe charger for the Apple Watch. So yeah, it's only your phone, and I believe any wireless phone can actually charge on this as well, so that's great. So let's just set this up quickly and I can show you guys how it looks like. So while it sets up, I just want to compare it to my dad's iPhone 8, and basically the screen size is way bigger than his old iPhone, but it's just, it feels much bigger because of the top and bottom of the phone. But yeah, I think he's gonna love this one because he was complaining a lot about how big this was, and I think the 6.1 inches is the perfect size. Okay, so while my dad's apps load, here's how it looks like. It looks like your typical iOS 14 widget. So I'm just gonna press allow. But yeah, that should be it. Looks good. Oh, one last thing before I go, I want to show you guys how the MagSafe charger looks like. Okay, so here's the MagSafe charger, and so as you can see, it's very strong. The magnets on this is very strong, which makes sense. Let's just compare it to my iPhone 11. So it does still stick and it does still charge, as you can see. The magnet is not that strong, but it does charge. Yeah, so when you plug in the MagSafe charger, that comes up, and also when you plug in the new iPhone, yeah, a lot of the new iPhone cases with the MagSafe thing, it does do that. I didn't purchase that, but I'm gonna purchase it when I do get the new iPhone 12. Anyway, that's it for my iPhone 12 unboxing video. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and tune in for my next one. Bye guys.